Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily sign up to a Roblox with a new account on your mobile device, so Android or iPhone. That's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your App Store, as you can see, or the Play Store. Now from there you go to the button right corner where it says search. Now here you want to type in a Roblox. Now as you can see, it already pops up. And here we're looking for this application, the Roblox application. Now here you press install where it says open for me. Now I'm going to press open. And here, as you can see, a Roblox opens up. Now from here, what I want to do is I want to press sign up. Now make sure to use your own birthday. Now for me, it's December 17 and 1998. 89. From there I press confirm a birth date, and here you use a username. Now simply how to tag 112233, and as you can see it has to be unique. It also has to be 3 to 20 characters long, and it only contains letters and numbers and a underscore. Now here you make a password. I'm going to do this real quick. I'll be right back with you. Now, and for the passwords, it's also very important that it at least 8 characters. It does not match your username, and it is not a very easy to guess password. Now here you choose your gender, and from there press sign up. Now this will enable the process and sign you up to Roblox. And as you can see right here, I've signed up to Roblox. Now what you can do right here is you can go to the right corner and go to more, and here scroll all the way down and you see switch accounts. Now here you can add a account, and you have multiple accounts ready. Now what you can do is right here go to home. Choose a experience, as you can see the recommended for you section, or simply press discover and you see the trending games. Now you can simply press it and play it. It's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.